ma'am. You're most welcome here. We'll be privileged to see you here. Thank you. Please applaud. Please.
I don't know whether this has to be a session where I talk and you all listen, or should it be this way that you have few questions to post to me and I answer them. How do you think it has to be? No, if you leave me to talk, oh my God, then you will all be caught into a problem. నా చేతిలో మైక్ ఉందంటే అది తాగేస్తాను తినేస్తాను మింగేస్తాను దాన్ని. तो सही यही होगा कि आपको कोई सवाल है जो आप पूछना चाहते पूछ सकते हो और मैं उसका जवाब दूंगी. तो इतने में एक काम करते हैं. So I'll just briefly try to put 2-3 minutes of my voice in front of you all. I've actually come with the first time with 2 lines of sloka which I knew, but then I wanted to put it in it right way. But before I could go to that, I always love to pray Mother Goddess because I feel she is an embodiment of the entire energies with which we are sitting here. Shiva Shaktya Yukta Yedi Bhavati Shakta Prabhavitum Nache Devam Devo Nakalu Kushala Spanditumapi Asatva Maradhyam Harihara Virinchadi Birapi Pranamtum Stotum Va Kadamakrata Punya Prabhavitum. It is the first shloka of Saundarya Lagari, written by Adi Shankaracharya. I don't know if all of you are comfortable me talking in English, or would you want me to take up in Telugu? English. I think they are bilingual people, both Telugu and Hindi, right? Okay. The reason is, why I would want to start with this shloka is for one simple reason. We all have to know that we all have got caught into the whirlpool of women empowerment title and feminism titles. We don't have to take these titles for ourselves. At least on this land of Bharat. We don't have to really take, we are not climbers, that we need terminologies to support us. We are so strong because we produce fruits. We are so strong. We produce every vegetative thing that's there on this earth. We are strong because without us, the nature wouldn't exist. Do you think such embodiment needs a support?
No, not at all.
Exactly. So, it's we probably over a period of time felt for a moment that maybe we need some support for various reasons which I wouldn't deny. But what's very important that we all have to realize at this minute, because I'm definitely sitting with that set of cream women who have seen success but are still in a dilemma that are they really successful? I tell you the reason for this also. Probably we are entangled in a whirlpool to understand, are men cooperating with us, or men surrendering to us, or men dominating us. We're always confused in these 3 statements. Let me put it this way to make it a little more easy for us to understand. We have a great lady here who is also guest of honor today, Dr. Padmaja Reddy. Imagine, would she become whoever she is without an encouraging father for her? So we have proved the point that men don't really stop women growing. Now I would say that with Sarojini Devi would have been whoever she is without the support of her husband because she got married at a very young age. So with this we prove that even husbands don't stop women on this land. We still have to understand that Rajiv Gandhi also had to take the name of Indira Gandhi. Otherwise there was no identity for him. That still says that son does accept mother's achievements on this land. Now then, where are we confused and why are we confused? Is it just a confusion or still a male dominating factor exists on this land? You'll have to know that when you look at the Rama Pattabhishekam, there is a never Ramchandra sitting all alone on the throne without Sita Maya besides him. Because on this land of Bharat, man is never eligible to become Maharaja without a wife. Until it is a point, it's an incident or a situation of crisis that they've lost the father and there's somebody else who's trying to conquer the piece of land. Otherwise, they need to get married and the crowning ceremony happens to wife and husband together. On that day, she is declared as the queen of the land also. That tells that they both are equal on this land. तो गलती कहाँ हुआ है? गड़बड़ कहाँ से हो गया हमारे साथ? You all have to know that in the process of protecting the so-called beautiful, gorgeous, intelligent, with unlimited love, patience, creativity, and honor, the lady of this land had to face something called Black Day. And that's the day when we have seen foreign invasion into this land just for one single reason, that they wanted to capture the women of this land. I would give you a small example. Suppose think some dacoit has fallen on our house. What comes to our mind first is two things. If you are really little more smart, the women in the house first would want to ensure the entire jewelry is locked at a place. The moment we see a dacoit attack on the house, the women of the house, if I'm not wrong, if I'm wrong, who will say I'm wrong can raise their hand. The first thing that gets into our mind is, let me protect the entire precious things that are there in the house, especially jewelry. But the man of this land would see how he has to protect the women of the house. He would first throw them inside a room, lock it. That is who is the man of this land called Bharat. That is what the poor fellow has been doing for the last 2000 years. In this journey, he is also equally frustrated. In this journey, he has equally changed. In this journey, he has become disoriented. I pity him. I pity the man of this land. He is not who he is today. If he would have been whoever he is today, then there is no two sentences called Shiva Shaktya Yukta Yadi Bhavati Shakta Prabhavitum Nache Devam Devo Nakalu Kushala Spanditumapi Asatva Varadhyam Harihara Virinchadi Pirapi Pranantum Stotum Va Kadamakrata Punya Prabhavitum. Now I'll tell you the meaning of this. It says, "Oh Lord Shiva, who you are, a man who has the daring and dashing attitude to give boons to even demons. Hey Shiva, you, the person who is never worried about the luxuries, the man who is always smiling, the man who helped everybody irrespective of their character. He is in the sthiti of Shiva. आप एक शिव के जैसे बैठे हो, बड़े प्यार से मुस्कुराते हुए. ऐसा लगता है जैसे नन्हा बच्चा सो रहा है, सपने में मुस्कुरा रहा है. ऐसे भी क्या सपना देख रहे हो शंकर भगवान कि अपने आप में मुस्कुरा रहे हो, जिंदा हो या भी नहीं. ये है स्थिति शंकर भगवान का. ऐसा एक स्थिति, काइंड ऑफ द स्टेट दैट ही इज इन. पार्वती मैया बर्तन मांजकर, बच्चों को खाना देकर, शंकर भगवान के गण जितने भी हैं उनको भी देखभाल कर कर, after doing puja to the Shankar himself, very beautifully dressed, like an angel herself, आकर शंकर भगवान के बाजू बैठ जाती है. She just sits beside him. Look at the sudden goosebump that Shankar gets. Imagine for a minute that could have been the situation when you sit beside your husband also. But unfortunately, he's also like Shankar, he doesn't express it to us. Then the Shankar from Shava state. Why is the Shava state? Because when small babies asleep and they do smile still, we feel that they are not moving at us. ఏనా ఎట్లా పడున్నాడంటారు ఎవడైనా బతుకున్నాడా లేదా అంటాం ఎవడా నిద్రపోతుంటే कोई सो रहा है क्या बोल रहा है जिंदा भी है नहीं है कैसा सो रहा है देखो. So that is a state of Shiva from where when Shakti acts to him he becomes Shiva. The ईकाram that is श को जब आप वो इकार देते हो तो शी बन जाता है शिवा. That is what he becomes because Mother Goddess sits beside him. The energy that gets into him electrifies him, wakes him up from his position, whoever he is. And from there, with a small subtle smile, given, not given, these men who hide their love, unfortunately, starts moving on with his entire work. This is what this land is all about. Unfortunately, because for ages together, which are 2,000 years, which is too big for any land to change genetically also. Unfortunately, we have been that Bharat, जिसके ऊपर राहु और केतु का दशा निकल ही ना रहा है. लेकिन मुझे पता है अब की बार जो रामचंद्र जी का प्रतिष्ठापन हो गया है, शुभ दिन भी आ गए हैं. अब सीता मैया जुड़ने वाली है उनके साथ और राम राज्य का स्थापित होने वाला है. And we say Ram Raj, it is not that we are saying the Raj of Purush. Please, हम कह रहे हैं कि श्री रामचंद्र जी का राज. यहां श्री का मतलब होता है लक्ष्मी, शुभ, मंगलमय. स्त्री के बिना मंगलमय कहां है? We all have to know that this land has always produced man who cannot survive without a woman. And that confidently the woman of this land should believe in. You have to believe this because it is you who are going to bring back the change in man. Don't wait for man to recognize you. They are diseased. They are diseased because they've been protecting us. They've been protecting us. Even now they're worried when we go home back as a husband. Maybe they could have been in a very authoritative voice or sometimes not able to ask you. They still would want to know where we went in the entire day. It's not that they're stalking us. It's that they're just worried about us. Look at that worry. 2000 साल हो गया लेकिन निकल नहीं रहा उनके दिमाग से. Then imagine the kind of trauma they would have seen the women of this land put to. That it has got into their bloody DNA and RNA, not leaving them, haunting them. Don't mistake the men at your home. Please help them. Help them because it's only you who are capable to help them. It is not you who have to take help from them. That's how your sons in the house have to be brought up. Don't leave them. We all probably in search of our identities. That is where I pity a woman also. We all in search of our identities probably have left Varkartavyam, which led to the production of the men, whoever are the men today on this land. The son needs back the affectionate mother to understand who the woman is. A son needs to know who the woman is, for which the first woman that he gets introduced to is mother. He needs that hug from the mother. He needs that love from the mother. Please, it's very, very important. It is you who would ensure to inculcate the sensitivity for a woman in a man. It's a cycle. Probably most of us are not enjoying the sensitivity from our other better halves or men around or from whoever we are meeting. But then we can't dig back the past and criticize on it. We need to say at one point of time, let go. because the woman is the Dhariti by itself. She is Bhumata. She only can for a minute think that let go. And it is only possible to her. That's the reason we have least number of heart attacks. Man cannot think let go. That's the reason he's caught into that cardiac arrest. Imagine. His muscle also doesn't cooperate with him bleeding. This is who we are. And we are left unrecognized because we probably have stopped understanding who we are. Yes, we have definitely gone through a great, painful history. But please do understand, men also have suffered protecting us. We have today the ability to reinstate ourselves and do not have. We need to help them. We need to help them. That is what very beautifully Mahishasura Mardini tells all of us. The lady Parvati, with a simple smile, was still sitting in Kailasham. All gods have tried their own way to kill Mahishasura. But then one fine day they realized that we are just beating around the bushes and nothing can be done by us. If something can be done, it can be done by the Shakti. So they all go to Shakti, that is Parvati, and they say, hey mother, please protect us from this demon. You know what she says? Okay boys, gear up. All of you have gave my powers to run this world. Now give me back. So she took Shivani from Shiva, she took Rudrani, she took Vaishnavi, she took Indrani, she took every Shakti from every man whom she gave to each one of them. They were obliged to give it back to her. So they gave back to her. What does this mean? That Prakriti and Purusha has to work together to kill the dirtiest part of the history. If we have to take the nation forward to its highest heights, we all have to know that we need to work together and not separate. We need to work, men and women of this land have to work together and not as two different entities. The day we understand this, we take it forward. And why we love Hindu Sanatana Dharma is, this is a dharma which will always allow women to work equally with a man. Applause for the dharma. The reason why I was emotionally attached to work with Triple Talaq was, I felt this beautiful face का किसी का हक नहीं बनता है छुपाने के लिए दबाने के लिए है जिंदगी सभी का एक ही है और वजूद सभी को बनाने का है किसी में हिम्मत नहीं है कि हमारा वजूद अब हमसे निकाल कर उनका हक बनाने के लिए We women know our scope and our limits. Dare not somebody teach us beyond a point. Yes, let them do support us and take care of us. We are happy to have bodyguards around. We are happy to have our well-wishers around. We are happy to walk along with us. But we are not at all going to accept if somebody would want to tell us that this is where your limit closes. Because we are the people who draw limit to the nature. And so it be. And so it be. But what is very important, one verse that I would say that's in Bhagavad Gita, which actually a woman knowingly or unknowingly has been following throughout her life, is what I need to peep into to say that. Because I have come out of my school days to really by heart anything, because I'm somebody for whom words and sentences flow by heart and from heart. So I don't by heart. Sannyasa karma yogascha nishreyasakara ubhau tayostu karma sannyasat karma yogo visishyate. I'll tell you the meaning of it is very, very beautiful. He says that Lord Krishna tells to Arjuna, probably for this, an example that has to be quoted is only women. He says that there are two forms, two ways and two methods to reach moksha, to reach the highest form of purity and divinity. One is sannyasa margam, that is leaving everything, that is detaching oneself from materialistic world. And second is karma margam. The karma margam means you and your responsibilities and you. But me, the Krishna, would always say that the karma margam is the most beautiful and a difficult way to reach the moksha margam and not the sannyasam. Every woman is a karma yogi. We are all our karma yogis on this land. And Hindu woman or a woman born on this Bharat Desha is a karma yogi. That means we never run away from our responsibilities and should never run away from our responsibilities. Because not only we give moksham to ourselves, we teach the generations that it is karma yoga which will help you to get into the moksha. That is the best and purest and finest form of human being. I thank all the beautiful young women here. The reason why I say young is, woman is always young. Ask me why. It is she who never retires to deliver her daughters. She who never retires to take care of her grandchildren. It is she again would always ask God to give me a little more years. I want to see the marriage of my grandchildren. It is she would always feel that, maybe a little more number of years I would also deliver my grandchildren. Let that be so, the Indian women, tadastu, and let her not change for the sake of any Western influence. It is we always had the right to make a king, like Chhatrapati Shivaji was made king by her mother. We are not Westerns, where right to vote was given at a very late stage to a woman. No. This is the country which respected women, which adored women, which loved women. 3 cheers to Jai Bolo Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Jai! I understand it is correct. Jai Bolo Bharat Mata Ki Jai!
Doesn't she have the standing ovation?
Yes, certainly.
So, thunderous applause I want from all of you. Thunderous applause. I request, yes, thank you very much, all the beautiful souls.
When you give small little place and ask to express. You ask the painter, she will tell what it takes when you give a very small little place by you and not chosen by her. You have given this place, she didn't choose it for herself. Ask what it takes for a person to do embroidery when you choose to give a small piece and not ask them to choose a small piece. So going forward, the Nari Shakti, whenever, the Sabha here, would anytime would want to get entertained with the beautiful dance of Indian traditional culture, please do respect them by removing all these things. As a dancer, this is my kind request that please do understand and honor an artist. Make enough space for them to dance. The request is not to give a bigger stage, but whatever it is, let something else not shared with them. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. This point is being noted. I invited everyone here to launch of our one program. You might have seen on the flyers, 5 years, 51 leaders. You might have thought of that, what is this? What is the 5 years, 51 leaders? Modi government just announced 33% reservation for the ladies in 2029. But are the even 3% ladies are ready for that?
All 33 are ready. They'll come very soon.
No. I am saying not even 3% are ready, ma'am. Because if the same scenario is there, then what will happen? ये मेरी बेटी है, इसको टिकट दे दो. ये मेरी भांजी है, इसको टिकट दे दो. ये मेरी बीवी है, इसको टिकट दे दो. ये मेरे घर के बाजू में रहती है, इसको टिकट दे दो. And that man will run the government, and these ladies will be just the statues. So Bharatiya Stree Shakti Telangana has taken an oath of 5 years, 51 leaders. Means with Rambhav Malgi Prabodhini, which is one of the sectors of RSS, is doing the trainings for the young woman, young men, young leaders who wanted to become the political leaders. What they are doing? They are putting them for the 1 to 1.5 year course. They are properly giving them the training from all the sectors, and they are putting them as an intern with some MLAs, MPs and the ministers. So at Bharatiya Stree Shakti, we are getting that training team to Telangana, and we will be holding 3 days camps for the ladies who wanted to become the leaders. So it will be the residential camps will be happening in Hyderabad, in Bhagyanagar, to make at least 51 ladies from each sector. No matter they are from the Congress party, no matter they are from the BRS party, doesn't matter they are from the BJP also. चलेगा हमको कोई भी चला, but we want the able leaders, able trained leaders and the voice of woman, so that echoes will not come. मेरी बेटी को बनाओ, मेरी बहू को बनाओ, मेरी बीवी को बनाओ. नहीं तो लालू के बाद तो रबड़ी तो रैया रही है. So I request our today's guest Padmaja ma'am as well as Madhvi ma'am to just splash the petals and declare that 5 years, 51 leaders, the program is being launched. Let it in the universe know that we ladies are ready to welcome this 33% reservations, and we are ready to be the leaders of this university. Yes, ma'am. You have 3. 1, 2, 3.
Probably, I feel that instead of, that's my sudden thought that I've got, we'll all put these flowers on Bharat Mata because she's an embodiment of entire country. So we'll design and ask her that please stand with us. And today we will take oath that अगर हम में से कोई एक भी लीडर बन जाए, they are going to lift another 50 leaders. Is that a better oath to be taken?
Yes. We will take everyone with us. Yes.
That itself means that itself. See, here we are only the fraternity of women. हमारा जाति एक ही है, वो स्त्री जाति है. हमारे बीच में कोई और जाति ना था, कभी ना रहेगा. So I would say that let's pour these flowers of petals on Bharat Mata because she's our fraternity and we belong to her fraternity. So even one leader who comes out of us will ensure the rest 50 women without struggling would become the leaders of the coming up nation. Future.